Hello, my dear students. In today's offline class, we are going to solve some questions based on quantum numbers. Okay, concept we studied that there are four quantum numbers and the questions related to that. Today, in today's class, we are going to study. So let's start with first question. What is that question? I am reading and then I'll explain. An electron is in 4f orbital. Okay, so where is the electron? Electron is in 4f orbital. What possible values for the quantum numbers n, l, m and s can it have? So student, we should be very aware about the fact that n, l and m and s. So n stands for principal quantum number, l stands for azimuthal quantum number, m stands for magnetic quantum number and s stands for spin quantum number. Now let's solve. As if when we will solve this question, we know that 4f, it is given it as a 4f. So 4f, it means n is equal to 4 because this electron is present in fourth shell. It is present in fourth shell and that's why its a value of n is equal to 4. Okay, understood. Now let's calculate the value of L. So value of L is always depend upon the value of n. Okay, got it? Okay. So here as it is f and we know one more rule, that is if the value of L is equal to 0, then it is S or S subshell. If the value of L is 1, then it is P. If the value of L is equal to 2, then it is considered as D subshell. If the value of L is equal to 3, then it is considered as F subshell. And as we can know that it is value of F is how much? 3. That's why L is equal to 3. So we got the value of n, that is 4, L is equal to 3. Now let's calculate for m. So how we are calculating for m? We know one more rule for m, and that m is equal to minus L2 plus L. Minus L2 plus L, and hence we will be solving in this way as minus 3 2 plus 3, and hence m can have the value of minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now the last one, what they have asked, they asked us to value of S. So S stands for spin quantum number. So we will say that for each value of m, it means for minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, for each value of m, S can have plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 values. It means whenever we will study about minus 1, each value of each value of this magnetic quantum number will have this value, and in this way student you need to solve the questions. Now let's do practice of few more questions. So here I am having another question. So in this question, let me read first. What is that question? Using S, P, D and F notation, describe the orbital with the following quantum numbers. Okay, so now we need to calculate that on the basis of this, how we are calculate or how we are denoting it through in terms of SPDF. So very easy trick for this, and you can solve according to that. First of all, whatever the value of n is given, okay, got it student? Whatever the value of n is given, you will simply first write that number. Okay, as the value of n is 2, so I'll be writing here as a 2. Okay, then now L is given as 1. So if just now we studied that if the value of L is 1, then it would be P subshell. That's why I can write answer for this is 2P. Got it? How I calculated? Now let's start with next. As we know that n is equal to 4. So simply I will be writing here as a 4. And then what is L is equal to 0. And here let's see L is equal to, if L is equal to 0, then it would be S. So simply write down it as a 4S. Now let's start with next. Next is n is equal to 5, L is equal to 3. So simply first we need to write it as a 5 and L is equal to 3. So see, L is equal to 3, it means F. So write it down as a F. And next is n is equal to 3, L is equal to 2. So n is equal to 3, that's why I'll be writing 3. Let's see the value of p. Let's see the value of 2. 2 stands for D notation, so that's why it would be D. So student, this is, in this way we can solve the questions, okay, of the quantum numbers. And see student, this question can be asked in descriptive manner, or this question can be asked as a MCQ based question. Okay, now let me tell you few more questions. Okay, so first question is, which of the following sets of quantum numbers are not permitted? It means out of these 4 quantum numbers, which cannot be possible. So here let's start and let's write that whether this first quantum number is possible or not. When we'll compare, that is n is equal to 2, it means principal number 2 and shell is second. Now L is equal to 2. So student, we know one thing, here I am writing it in a bracket, and that formula is the value of L is always equal to 0 to n minus 1. It means value of L cannot be equal to n or cannot be more than n. Okay, and that's why as this cannot be possible, hence this set of quantum number is not possible. What is the reason? Reason is that the value of n and L cannot be equal. Value of n and L cannot be equal. Now let's see the next. In next one, n is equal to 2, correct. L is equal to 1. So we can say that yes, it is less than principal quantum number, so it is also correct. Now, so see that how we can calculate the value of m. Value of m is minus L2 plus L. So minus L2 plus L. So minus L is 1. So minus 1 to plus 1. So this is also correct, and we know that for S always values are plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. That's why this set is possible. Are you understanding, students? Okay then. Now let's start with next. Now n is equal to 2, L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0, but S is equal to 0. So here we can say that yes, the major one, S cannot be 0, and that's why this is not possible. Spin quantum number cannot be 0. It may be plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. Now let's see the fourth one. N is equal to 2. L is equal to 1 and M is equal to 2. So what we said, that value of M should be minus L2 plus L. So if L value is 1, so it would be minus 1 to plus 1. So 2 is not coming in that, and that's why this would be wrong. And we will say that this set of quantum number is also not possible. So student, this is only this is one more pattern of question. Okay, now let's see the next. What they have asked, which of the following orbitals are not possible? So they asked that out of this, which are not possible. Now let's see that this is the first shell, and we know that for in first shell only one orbital is there, and that one is s orbital. So if s orbital is there, p cannot be possible. So we'll say that this 1s cannot be possible. Cannot possible, because so this cannot be possible. In front of this it should be 1s. Okay, 2s, yes, this can be possible. Now 3f. Now let's see that in 3f, in the third shell, only 3s, 3p and 3d possible, right? And hence this cannot possible, and so fourth f cannot come there, and hence it also not possible. And fourth d, so fourth d, 4s, 4p, 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f, so this can also be possible. Understood, student? Now let's come to the last question, and this question is little bit tricky. Now let's solve this question. Now how we are going to solve this question, let me tell you that in this question what they have asked, they asked in this question that if n is equal to 5, how many electrons can have ml is equal to plus 1. Now let's solve. If I am solving this, n is equal to 5, it means L can be. How we are calculating L? From 0 to n minus 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I correct? Okay. Then now let's see the next one. In next one we can see that for each value of L, now we can calculate the value of ML. So for 0 it would be 0 only. So we cannot consider this. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4 each. Like if I'll talk about minus 1. So 1. So minus 1 will have minus 1, 0 plus 1. Okay. Now let's see for 2. For 2, minus 2. Minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. For 3, how can we write the answer for 3? For 3, we can write it as a minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Similarly, we can write down for 4 also. That is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. Here I am writing minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4. This all will be plus, plus, plus and plus. So in this way we can say that now if you will observe it carefully, you can find that in each one plus is there. Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 and here it is plus 1. So here how many electrons can have? Ml is equal to plus 1 value. So here we can all of them 1, 2, 3, 4 all of them are having plus 1 as a value. So we can write this answer as each orbital. As we know that each orbital can have maximum 2 electrons and hence n is equal to 5. So ML, which is equal to 1, will have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and hence it is 2 into 4 is equal to 8 electrons. So students, sometimes descriptive questions can come in this way also. So I hope you understood the concept and do practice of more question. And student, do not forget to download few more question which I given it in the description box. So student, hope you understood today's topic. Thank you students and have a good day ahead.